Welcome, everybody. Welcome Forward Talk. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you can get that notification. So, today I want to talk about the rise in assault on teachers in Texas. And it's really getting out of control. Parents, you're going to have to do a better job of holding your kids accountable. Um, Administrators, you're going to have to do a better job in supporting your teachers. We got too many teachers quitting the education field because why? They feel like they don't have no support. Uh, we have to do better. We have to do better. We have to start supporting. It's just getting out of control. These lady said she just couldn't take it no more down here in Austin. Group of kids, well, not Austin, Jared, Texas, down that way by Austin. Group of kids. She wouldn't let them leave early, and they started approaching her like they was gonna do something to her. I want y'all to check out this video, and then I want y'all to give me a little bit of feedback and tell me what you think about it. Um,
Assaults on educators were reported last school year, according to new data from the Texas Education Agency. KXAN investigator Kelly Wiley is tracking what happens after teachers are hurt in the classroom.
When Tiffany Robinson began teaching in Texas, she never imagined she'd be writing this letter 18 years later.
Gerald ISD trustees. I am writing to formally resign from my position as chemistry teacher at Gerald High School effective immediately. Just a lot of disappointment. You just get worn down.
The last straw, she says, was on a pep rally day at Gerald High School when she says a rowdy group of students eager to leave class got in her face.
Cussing me and telling me, F you, you're going to make me late to my next class. And they were getting up out of their chairs and coming forward, and it was getting ready to get out of control.
By the time the bell finally rang, Robinson decided this would be the end of her near 2-decade teaching career.
I was crying, went to the associate principal, and I told her, I said, I'm done. I'm resigning. I'm not doing this. I'm not taking this anymore.
Gerald ISD officials told us they work hard with campus police and administrators to build an environment where teachers can perform their duties without fear, harassment, or violence. They also said schools need additional funding for security initiatives and mental health resources. The incident in Robinson's classroom stopped short of any physical assault, but new data from the Texas Education Agency shows the number of assaults perpetrated by students against school staff statewide rose 18% last school year compared to the year before.
It's definitely increased, probably for several factors.
Zeph Capo is the president of the Texas chapter of the American Federation of Teachers, an organization representing more than 65,000 educators.
The lack of behavioral supports, the lack of mental health services that we've seen in the state of Texas, none of our mental health providers, whether it's counselors, social workers, psychologists, meet the recommended student to professional ratios in the state of Texas.
Under Texas law, teachers who are assaulted at school can request what's called assault leave, paid days to recover from physical injuries that can't be deducted from the employee's personal accrued leave. The law says districts must immediately approve assault leave once it's requested. But our analysis of district policies found if a district later determines an incident didn't meet the criteria, the district can retroactively deny the request.
If something doesn't rise to the level where it gets approved, for example, by a workers' comp doctor, then a teacher may actually lose their own personal leave to heal from an assault. Not every assault results in a teacher being hospitalized or needing, acute medical care follow-up, but, sometimes you don't want to go back in the classroom the next day.
KXAN analyzed data from Central Texas school districts between 2018 and last school year. Among the 29 Central Texas districts that responded to our survey, district officials reported at least 340 assaults on employees in that time frame. But those districts received far fewer assault leave requests. and approved just 46 requests collectively. Robinson says she hadn't planned on retiring for several more years. But at 56, she's starting a new chapter and a new career in real estate.
I don't want to go back. It's just disappointing. It's just disappointing. The problems have gotten worse through the years, and I don't see it getting better.
So far for this upcoming legislative session that starts in January, lawmakers have not pre-filed any bills to address assaults on educators. There hasn't been any significant legislation on this issue since 2019, when lawmakers added harassment to the list of behaviors for which a student must be removed from the classroom. In Austin, Kelly Wiley, KXAN Investigates.
And nationwide, teachers are also reporting higher numbers of physical violence and aggression at schools. A 2024 study from the American Psychological Association found a sharp rise in teachers reporting threatening aggression and physical violence.
And researchers found there were even more reports than before the pandemic. You can read our full investigation on our website at kxan.com.
So guys, tell me what your thoughts. You guys didn't even know you could fill out a leave form for that when a kid assaults you. You didn't know that, did you? So we got to start holding these schools and everybody accountable. So when these kids assault you, fill out that leave form so they can pay you while you're off. And just like the gentleman said, some people just don't want to come back the next day after they done went through all of that. They want to take a day or two off, and they should, to recruit, get themselves back together. Like I say, administrators got to do their part, man. And here's another thing I'm getting so tired of hearing, man. Everything is always mental health. We can't keep blaming mental health on everybody. If that's the case, everybody got mental health issues. Everybody. So we have to quit. We have to quit blaming that mental health and quit using that. We have to quit making excuses for this negative behavior and this violent behavior towards educators. Like I said before, and I said again, we holding the kids accountable. We have to hold the educators, the teachers, and the coaches accountable as well. But these assaults are steady rising, man, and nobody seems to be doing anything. The only way we're going to get this stuff under control, man, is you got to start doing something. I know coming up, I remember, and I say it again, we had Metro. Man, kid did something first semester, you didn't see him no more to the second semester. If he did something at the second semester, you didn't see him no more to the next school year. Hell, you even may have thought that kid had dropped out of school because they were gone so long. Consequences, man. We got to give consequences. Everybody always got an excuse of why they can't give consequences. We're doing nothing but setting these kids up for failure. So let's hold everybody accountable. Kids, parents, administrators, everybody got to be accountable. Man, we've already had a teacher to get hurt. I mean, a principal to get hurt seriously. Man, we got to do better, man. We got to support. And that's why I had said one time before, go ahead and let's fight for hazardous pay for educators. Let's fight for that hazardous pay with the stuff they got to put up with. And parents, help them out, man. Quit blaming everybody for the foolishness that your kids are doing. Hell, it ain't just all on the teacher and everybody. Hold yourself accountable and your kid accountable. So, guys, leave a comment, share this with your friends and family, and tell me what you think. I bet y'all didn't know about that leave. And watch now these educators gonna be, hey, Carl, what's that leave you was talking about? What's that? Hey, hit me up, like, subscribe, and share. Again, like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for listening to Forward Talk. Have a blessed day.